Build one useful agent skill today, and you may still package it 5 different ways. The capability stays the same, but each client can expect a different manifest, folder layout, or MCP configuration. Agent Plugins 1.0 targets that portability tax. It does not make every agent behave the same. It defines one predictable package for the parts that can already travel. The portable entry point is a root plugin.json with 2 required fields, the canonical version 1.0.0 schema URL, and a lowercase plugin name. That is the conformance floor. Version, description, author, repository, license, keywords, and extensions are optional. The manifest is closed, so client experiments cannot quietly become universal fields. The surrounding folder carries the rest. Skills live under skills in immediate child directories containing skill.md. MCP server configuration lives in a separate root mcp.json. Those are the only 2 component types standardized in version 1. Commands, hooks, agents, rules, language servers, and custom interface metadata are not portable components yet. The official launch shows one package across compatible agent products. Vendors reported launch support in ChatGPT and Codex, Cursor, GitHub Copilot, Kiro, and VS Code. Treat that as a compatibility announcement, not an independent reliability test. A client may support skills, MCP servers, or both, while still controlling installation, execution, policy, permissions, and user experience. Take a minimal Hello plugin. Its plugin.json points to the 1.0.0 schema and names the package. Add skills/great/skill.md, and a client implementing skill discovery knows where to look. Discovery is shallow. Each immediate child of skills is checked for a file named exactly skill.md. Clients do not recursively hunt through arbitrary folders. Failure is isolated by component. If one skill is invalid, the client skips it and continues loading other skills and component types. A missing skills directory is fine. If a fixed location exists but has the wrong file system kind, only that component type becomes invalid. One local mistake should not disable unrelated valid capability. MCP follows a similar rule at the root mcp.json. It declares a matching 1.0.0 schema and an MCP server's object. Each entry chooses an explicit transport, STIO, streamable HTTP, or optional legacy HTTP plus SSE. Clients map this portable shape into their native configuration. Their internal fields do not need to match. For STIO, command is one executable token, not a shell command string. It can be a bare name or a plugin relative path beginning with /. Arguments, environment values, and working directory can use exactly 2 placeholders, plugin_root for shipped files and plugin_data for writable state preserved across updates. Expansion is narrow and non-recursive. Remote MCP entries have hard edges. Non-loopback endpoints require HTTPS. URLs cannot contain user information or fragments, and configured headers are visible package data, not a secret store. Version 1 defines no OAuth configuration, credential reference, or authentication experience. Authorization and secret storage remain client-managed. Path containment is explicit. Plugin relative paths start with /, resolve against the plugin root, and stay inside it. Symlinks cannot escape the package. If one MCP command or working directory breaks containment, that server fails. Unrelated valid servers and skills continue. The root manifest declares the agent plugin's version, and mcp.json must declare the same version. A mismatch disables MCP without invalidating independent skills. Package authors are encouraged to use semantic versioning, while clients decide how versions drive updates and caches. Client-specific capability still has a home. Manifest data can sit under a reverse domain key inside extensions, and files can live in a top-level directory with that namespace. Other clients ignore namespaces they do not implement. Vendors can innovate without pretending a proprietary feature is portable. This is where OpenAI's native plugin packaging needs a clear label. OpenAI documentation describes a richer .codex plugin/plugin.json entry point, plus optional hooks, assets, app mappings, MCP configuration, marketplace metadata, and a public directory shared by ChatGPT and Codex. Those are useful OpenAI client surfaces, not the same as the minimal root plugin.json in the vendor-neutral version 1 core. Agent Plugins does not standardize marketplaces, installation policy, permissions, sandboxing, runtime behavior, authentication UX, signatures, enterprise allow lists, dependencies, or audit events. The Future Considerations document names many of these areas, but none is a version 1 requirement. Small on purpose means fewer false promises. The governance boundary is public. Specification text and documentation use Creative Commons Attribution 4.0. Code uses Apache 2.0. Technical work is open, and no single vendor may control a majority of core maintainer seats. That does not guarantee identical behavior, but it makes the contract inspectable. The decision rule is simple. If you build reusable skills or MCP servers for multiple compatible clients, target root plugin.json, skills, and root mcp.json first. Add client namespaces or client-owned packaging only for genuinely client-specific capability. If you need portable permissions, secrets, hooks, marketplace behavior, or identical runtime semantics now, use explicit adapters or wait, because version 1 does not promise them. Agent Plugins 1.0 is not one runtime for every agent. It is one packaging and discovery contract for the reusable core. Inspect the official specification at agent-plugins.org and subscribe to TechWealth Hub for more source-grounded breakdowns of the standards shaping agent software.